Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the regulation. So you have the regulation of the pancreatic secretion. So in case of regulation of pancreatic secretion, we have the stimulant. Stimulant, it includes the secretin. The secretin, that is nothing but the S cells. And these secretin, the S cells, they act on the pancreatic duodenal cell. So the pancreatic duodenal. So pancreatic ductal cells. So there's involvement of pancreatic ductal cell, and the second messenger which is involved in the secretin, involves the CAMP. So CAMP is involved, and the effect is nothing but the increase in the bicarbonate in the secretion. So increased bicarbonate. So increased bicarbonate in case of the secretion. Next we move on to the CCK. The CCK is by the eye cells, so they act on the acinar cells. So acinar cells are present. So in case of secretin, it is a pancreatic ductal cell. That is the second messenger involved is the CAMP and has increase in the bicarbonate in secretion. Whereas in case of CCK, there is acinar cells. The acinar cells, the second messenger which is involved is a phospholipase C. There is a phospholipase C. This happens in case of the CCK. CCK, there is a phospholipase C. The stimulant is CCK and IP3DAG. So the effect here is the CCK, it increases the release of the zymogen granules. So this increase in the release of the zymogen. There is increase in release of the zymogen granules and potentiates effect of secretin. So potentiates the secretin effect. It increases the zymogen granules and the enzymes. Then the second messenger involved here in CCK is a phospholipase. In secretin, the second messenger involved was a CAMP. Next is the ACH. So here in the ACH, there is a vagi. It acts on the acinar cells. And the second messenger which is involved is a phospholipase C, that is IP3DAG. So the effect here is very similar, that is increases the zymogen granules. So ZG, zymogen granules. And next what happens is there potentiates the effect of the secretin. So potentiates effect of secretin. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.